Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr. Math. Today I am going to discuss the question paper Physics Class 10. The first question was, write any two uses of graphite. As you know well, graphite is one of the crystalline form of the carbon. It may be used as it is a good conductor, so that why it is used in batteries. It is used as pencil because very smooth it form the layer, and graphite also used as a lubricant. It is also used as electrodes. The second question was, list out the material which is require current carrying wire producing magnetic field. Simple wooden plank, cardboard sheet, magnetic compass needle, batteries, iron fillings, and switch. Third question, what would happen if orbitals do not show or do not undergo hybridization? If the orbitals do not go under hybridization, the first problem is we cannot get the proper shape of molecule, and we could not get a proper bond angle, proper shape of molecule and the proper bond angle. These three questions completed, and the fourth question is a tabulated question. Here the table is given and the first question was there, which of the element has no valency. So everyone knows that the valence is nothing but valency means the electron which is present in the outermost shell. But another definition is that the combining capacity of element with respect to oxygen and hydrogen, that is known as valency. Inner element, inert gaseous element, helium, neon, argon, xenon, krypton, inert gaseous element, zero group elements have no valency. Here in the list, neon is given. The correct answer is neon. What is the atomic number of chlorine? The atomic number of chlorine is 17. Third one. Write the name of the element which are the same period. There is a two element which are in the same period. The first one is a lithium, another one is a neon. Lithium and neon, these are two elements belongs to the second period. Fourth question, the most stable elements among the above belongs to the which group? Here, student, neon is the most stable element because this is completely filled outermost shell and they are very inert. These are for 1111 bit 11 mark question completed. Now the question number 5. Write any four method to prevent corrosion of metal in day-to-day life. Prevention of corrosion in metallurgy chapter, we know that the prevention of corrosion is a prime important because of the if you are not focused on it, bridges will collapse, buildings will destroy. So the first method is galvanizing, electroplating, and alloying process, and painting and greasing. So these all process we have to write in detail. Next question, explain the reason why does the sun appear red color during sunrise and sunset. During sunrise and sunset, you know well, light travel a long distance, it appears the seven color, but the other color have the shorter wavelength and the red color have longer wavelength. Other color disappear before reaching to our eye, and the red color, because of the longer wavelength and less scattering nature, it reaches to eye. That's why the sun appear red color during sunrise and sunset. Our next question in the long answer, list out the material required to observe the reaction of acid with carbonates. As I said previous video, student remember this is a repeated question. आप मेरा प्रीवियस वीडियो देख सकते हैं, उसमें ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन है रिएक्शन ऑफ एसिड विद कार्बोनेट्स एंड मेटल हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. इट मे बी रिपीटेड, गो थ्रू इट. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह क्वेश्चन गेस के हिसाब से कंप्लीट आया. So the answer is, first we have to write the aim to prove that reaction of acid with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonate. Material required. What are the material? Test tube, we have to take the delivery tube, and we have to take the lime water, and we have to take dilute HCl, and we have to take the carbonates and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Take two test tube, label them A and B, and add dilute HCl and 0.5 gram of the sodium carbonate, and slowly sodium carbonate react with the acid and one gas evolve. That gas passes through delivery tube to lime water, and the lime water turns to milky. In this case, we have the three products. First is carbon dioxide, water, and sodium chloride salt. This is the long answer. We have to write the equation with the diagram. And the one in the third question, we have to write any two answers. So here I am selecting the ninth question. Write the main postulates of Bohr's model of hydrogen atom and its limitation. Bohr's model of an atom put forward the theory of Rutherford atomic model, and he said that electron continuously revolve around its own orbit or shell. As long as electron, the energy of these orbit or shell neither loss nor gain. These orbits are known as stationary orbits or stationary levels. They are denoted by the letter K, L, M, N, or N is equal to 1, N is equal to 2, N is equal to 3, N is equal to 4. So as long as N value increases, the size and energy of stationary orbit also increases. When electron jump from high energy level to low energy level, energy is emission in the form of radiation. Bohr has given the equation E2 minus E1 is equal to hV. E2 is the energy of outermost level, E1 is outermost innermost level energy, and h is a Planck constant, and v is a frequency velocity of electron. So all these things these are the comes under the Bohr's model of hydrogen atom. Some points which is in the class 10. Other spectrum is there in the intermediate first year, no need of that one. And limitations are there. What are the limitations? The first, Bohr's model could not account the element contain more than one electron. It could not explain the Zeeman effect, as well as it could not affect the Stark effect. These are the two important answers of the long answer in this chapter and related to Bohr's model of an atom. So after that, student, we are going to discuss the part B. So what are the questions are there in the part B? Part B was so easy this time. So student, here the question is, the first question in the part B, uh, uh, here where is a virtual erect image can form? Virtual and erect image always form between F and P. So here the D option is correct, and the volume of H2 gas liberated when 46 gram of sodium react with excess of water at STP. STP may already we had done this problem in second chapter chemical equation. At STP is standard temperature pressure. We are having the, for any gas we are taking the 22.4 liter volume. So the option C was correct. And here third question, the direction of motion of positive charge in an electrolyte. Electrolyte में the direction of the positive motion of the positive charge is always in the direction of electric field. If it is a negative charge, then it moves against the direction. Positive charge move toward go the direction of the electric field. Next question is, if a multimeter reading display 1 or 0, which is indicate, if it is a multimeter read 0 and 1, so it is value is over range resistance. The option B was correct. Over range resistance. Next, what is the magnification value of the concave mirror? कॉन्केव मिरर का मैग्निफिकेशन वैल्यू नेगेटिव आता ऑलवेज. तो यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन थे आपके, -0.75 एंड -1.75. एनीवन कैन राइट. Next one, the relationship between the radius of curvature and focal length. What is the relationship? Radius of curvature is a twice that of focal length. R is equal to 12. Here the option is A correct. And next question, the structure of element has given. This structure is nothing but 2-methyl propane. Methyl is connected with the branch, second one, and prop we have to say according to IUPAC. The first one, nomenclature, if you are seeing that if the 4 carbon is there involving in any structure or formula, we say that prop. So the second answer is correct, 2-methyl propane. Next question, induced current is set up by. Why the induced current is set up in the circuit? Because of induced EMF. Due to induced EMF, induced current is set up. Next one, the pair of pH value strong acid and strong base in the following. You know that in the pH scale, the value below 7 is acidic and the above 7 is basic. And the strong acid value is, we know that starting value 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 means the strong acid and the 14 is a strong base. So these are the complete discussion of today exam paper. I hope you enjoy my video. For more, please subscribe my channel MLE Sir Math. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.